For a community so blessed by God but massively underdeveloped, the signs are pointing to better days for oil-rich Ugboren community in Sapele local government area of Delta State as the Dr. Nelson Ukoko aka Jenekpo, president of oil-rich Ugboren community's early tenure, is flowing in a prosperous direction. After installing a working electricity supply for the locals, another bumper project is set to take off as Seplat Petroleum Company have approved the construction of a 760 meters road along Umolu Road in Ugboren community. The project awarded to S Normal Company is a test run of 760 meters as its full length of the proposed project covers up to 4.5 kilometers. Ugboren Community President Dr. Nelson aka Jenekpo came in with his members of ESCOs as MD. S Normal Company gave a welcome address before project engineer Jolly relayed a scope of the project to the community with the oldest man, Pa Audu, community leaders from the four quarters of Ugboren, youth leaders and more on ground to receive the good news.
We are ordained or approved by Seplat to come and do development of 760 meters length of road, no side drain, but a length of road of 760 meters. The total length of the road is 4.5 kilometers. The Seplat in Lagos approved it for us to come and do test run with the community for 760 to know whether the community will appreciate and cooperate with the contractor. Whereby there is no cooperation, the client, which is the Seplat, have the right to withdraw us and take us to another place. So I pray that, as my GM has said, the spirit of oneness will bring us together. Amen. This job is a good job for all of us to expand the community. Besides going to the wellhead, it's also to expand the community. If the places is expanded, then many of our children who are in abroad can come and begin to build along those areas, and it will help you. So I seek your cooperation very well, that at the end of the day, all of us will smile and be happy and be grateful to God who made it possible to come. Because many communities have applied for similar jobs from Seplat in other communities where they have their services oil base, but they were not considered. But by God's grace and the cooperation of your president, made it possible that we are here today. And I pray the way we have seen him with the executive and all, the way they have cooperated, I believe more things will come beside this.
President Dr. Nelson Ukoko, who spoke after the presentation, said it is important for the residents of Ugboren community to feel the physical development of their community as he is driven towards delivering the goods visibly and not in abstract. Jenekpo, however, called on the great people of Ugboren to cooperate with the company to make sure that the full 4.5 kilometer is actualized after the test run project.
All the able youth, I'll be very brief. If we rewind back to one of my campaigns that went to the CEO of Seplat, that is platform, is Umolu Road. Because you cannot keep on fighting unnecessary rubbish fights and living on hand-to-man stipend every year. They say it's only a police community. Show me what we have, then I can say that. So, everybody, don't forget, don't know, go back to my campaign in this community, my video that when I look at it, you cannot be giving the food of this community to outsiders. Thank you, sir. We are rich when it comes to the resources, production, but we are not rich when it comes to facilities. All our work goes to Sapele. They pass through the road. They pass through the road. They come through the river. When I saw that, I said no. You know, I have a qualification without, let me sound modest, in community development. So I know what it is. My eyes closed. I can develop any community. I realized that if we influence and open this road, all the trucks, every work, porta cabin, everything will be coming to the community. From there, the ripple effects will be accrued to the community. You see women having shops along the road. Even people that will repair phone will come. The network will open. Network is coming. And in my first week, the first thing I did, you know, campaign, you say everything. You have to campaign people, convince people. But after that, start to be silences. The first week, I attacked this road issue. But thank God, the same year, the road has been approved. Now, they are coming to here to start here. That 760, everything go each free. Amen. They will do it to the facility. Because Ugbora will live forever. Yeah. We don't want anybody to dredge our land no more. Yeah. So no more dredging. Yeah. So the trucks will be going there. Yeah. We'll be collecting money for trucks. Yeah. That's how they do it. Yeah. Anything that comes, we have our own FTO. Yeah. Trade will be taking place. Yeah. The most unique thing is that we are very close to Ajikemoni Anukpe. Anukpe is a city now, not a village anymore. It's now joined. It's now been subsumed by Saple community. From there, from where they will stop now, for them to get the cover, it's easy. I've spoken to the government, they are waiting. So we'll now link us to Amukpe. So Ugbora will become city. Land will be expensive. Make we do this thing successfully. Unnecessary, I want this slot and this one. You don't feel that they buy bicycle. Obere Vere, we could leave us. I'm going to try new things. If the new thing don't work, we'll go back to Obere Vere. So we are trying new things that will develop the community. So, my people, when I know me, when I get, that for everybody, yes. I incorporate your ABICO. So, let's cooperate with everybody here, the workers, the engineers, and make sure we deliver.
After the event, Dikin Frank spoke to Rero TV and expressed satisfaction at the warm reception by Ugbora community while pledging to work assiduously to make sure that the project is actualized in no time.
I am Dikin Frank Osa Ehima, Executive Director of Operations, S. Norman and Company Limited, Benin City. Yes, in fact, I'm so impressed with what I saw in them, and by the grace of God, that maximum cooperation I will clearly give to them. They have promised me of cooperation, and I will reciprocate. God helping us. I'm impressed, and I thank everybody. Thank God for the successful completion of the meeting.
Other Ugbora leaders, starting with Pa Audu, told Rero TV of their joy following the approval of the project, as it will help in no small amount in terms of development and engagement.
Okay.
We thank Jelekbo very well, and also which we also thank Seplant. We are very happy to make this road, because for long we have been crying about this road. Even before Share, we started this movement from Share before Seplant. If Seplant really make this road available for we, the relationship we and the Seplants will not moving from time to time. So we are so very, very happy. Even the leaders, the elders, the leaders, the women, because they are suffering in that road. They cannot even root their cassava from there. No road. They are suffering. That is the reason why we said that we must surely try. When Jelekbo make this way, we make things very easy for Seplant so that they should do it for we.
Yes, I'm really impressed in this, because it has been a long time ago we have been expecting this, but in as much this come to pass in this present regime, we really appreciate God for it, and we appreciate the company in subject, which is Seplat, for attending to our proposal in respect of this new development.
From Ugbora, my name is Akborero Henry Akbos, and you're watching Rero TV.